Hey guys, this is the Bike Noobs, and here's my new bike check. Let's start with the frame. It's an Eastern Pro 21-inch top tube. There's only been one made for Pro Rider. I bought it off him. I have Odyssey Path tire, a Fit hub laced to an Alienation rim, like the purple colors. Collision stem, Primo bars, Tallboys, ODI long neck grips, Primo PC pedals, same for the back rim, just one stolen Thermalite pedal. The front one does not fit. KMC 710 SL chain with profile GHD light cranks, Eclat complex seat. Let me flip it over. An S&M pitchfork. I don't know why it's flat, but it looks pretty sweet to me. Primo Comet back tire. And, what the hell? A collision. No, I already told you that. Oh, and my Eastern Medusa sprocket. Well, that's my bike check.